What's up, tech enthusiasts and gamers? Cyber Dopamine here, bringing you an exclusive first look at the remarkable Legion Go handheld gaming device. Let's dive into why this device is making waves in the gaming world. Right off the bat, the Legion Go's design is striking, sleek, modern, and undoubtedly built for comfort. Holding it feels natural, and its ergonomic design caters perfectly to extended gaming sessions. This isn't just another iteration. It's a significant leap forward. Running SteamOS natively, the Legion Go stands out from its predecessors, offering a seamless and upgraded gaming experience. It's clear that Lenovo has poured a lot of thought into this device. While this is just a sample unit, the potential is undeniable. With 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 55 battery, the device strikes a balance between power and portability. The battery life might not be groundbreaking, but SteamOS optimizations could squeeze out some extra playtime. The display is another highlight, an 8-inch, 1200p screen with a 16:10 aspect ratio and VRR variable refresh rate at 120 Hz. The visuals are buttery smooth, making every frame count. One standout feature is the Legion Go's non-detachable controllers. These controllers are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also incredibly comfortable to use. They've been fine-tuned for better grip and responsiveness, catering to both casual and hardcore gamers. The Legion Go 2 variant takes things up a notch with an OLED VRR display. The OLED technology delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, providing an immersive gaming experience. The screen on the Legion Go 2 is a game-changer. The matte finish reduces glare, and the visuals are stunning. One quirky feature that stands out is the ultra-bright flashlight integrated into the top right corner of the device. Lenovo's booth at CES showcased a plethora of innovations, and the Legion Go undoubtedly stole the spotlight. Other brands like GPD and Ionio also had impressive handhelds, but the Legion Go's combination of hardware and software integration makes it a frontrunner in this competitive space. CES is always a playground for tech enthusiasts, and this year was no exception. Beyond gaming handhelds, there were groundbreaking PC builds, transparent screens, and even devices that let you feel textures on the screen. A mind-blowing innovation. The energy at CES is infectious, and the sheer volume of cutting-edge technology can be overwhelming. The device's ability to run SteamOS natively ensures compatibility with a vast library of games, and the hardware enhancements provide a noticeable edge in performance. After spending time with the Legion Go, it's clear that this device has the potential to set new standards in handheld gaming. While it's still a prototype, the foundation is solid, and the possibilities are exciting. From its innovative design to its cutting-edge hardware, the Legion Go represents the future of portable gaming. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and performance benchmarks as we get closer to the official launch. This is just the beginning. For now, I'm signing off from CES 2025. If you're as hyped about the Legion Go as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.